Right here, hidden deep within the forests of Bohemia, is Kost Castle. And this is one of the best preserved medieval castles in all the Czech Republic. Now, this castle was built in the mid-14th century, and it was founded by a powerful Bohemian noble during a period of frequent wars and shifting alliances. Now, unlike many hilltop castles, Kost was deliberately constructed in a valley, protected by steep sandstone cliffs, marshlands, and a dense forest. And this unusual placement made direct assault extremely difficult, and it also allowed the defenders to control access to routes while remaining concealed behind the walls. The castle's massive white tower served as its final defensive stronghold. It was also a symbol of authority for the area. The thick stone walls, narrow passageways, and limited access points were focused entirely on survival rather than comfort. The castle's name is also linked to the Czech word for bone, emphasizing its reputation as a hard, unbreakable forest. And during the Hussite Wars of the 15th century, a time when many castles fell, this castle was never captured, and it earned the reputation of one of Bohemia's most formidable strongholds. So over the centuries, the castle really just passed through the hands of powerful noble families, and it remained consistently inhabited and largely unchanged today. Kost Castle stands as a rare example of military architecture, less a symbol of royal splendor and more a testament to strategy, resilience, and the realities of medieval warfare.